In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Shopify Refresh theme. If you're looking to make your Shopify store stand out, customizing your theme is a great way to start. And the Refresh theme offers a fantastic range of built-in features that can help you do just that. It's part of Shopify's online store 2.0 lineup and includes things like enhanced navigation options, product filtering and sorting, a sticky header, and swatch filters. You'll find the ability to use sections and blocks on both the homepage and other supported templates, allowing you to drag and drop content, reorder, and show or hide blocks as you see fit. A lot of the customization you may want can be achieved through the theme settings without needing to touch any code, making it straightforward and accessible. Let's jump into how you can customize the Refresh theme using the theme editor. First things first, it's always a good idea to duplicate your theme before making any changes. Head over to your Shopify admin, navigate to Online Store, then Themes, and find the Refresh theme. Once you're there, click on Actions and select Duplicate. This way, you're working on a copy and your live store remains untouched, safeguarding your current setup. Once you've duplicated your theme, you'll want to open the Theme Customizer. Simply click Customize next to your new duplicated Refresh theme. This will bring you into the theme editor where the magic happens. Now, in the left sidebar, there's a section called Theme Settings, usually marked with a gear icon. This is where you can change a variety of visual aspects of your site. For instance, you can adjust colors for buttons, text, and backgrounds, tweak typography like font family and sizes, and modify layout settings such as the spacing between sections or page width. You'll also find options for customizing buttons and badges, which could include things like sale or sold-out badges. And if branding is a focus, you can adjust your logo size and other general branding images. Be sure to save your changes as you go along. You can also edit sections and blocks on your pages. Still in the Customize area, navigate to the page you're planning to adjust, like the home page. Here, you can add or remove sections such as slideshows, featured collections, or image and text blocks. Sections can be rearranged easily with drag and drop functionality, and for each section or block, you often have further settings where you can adjust layout, background, alignment, and more. Additionally, to tweak your navigation, menus, header, and footer, you'll want to go back to your online store and click on Navigation to edit the menu items or link lists for your header or footer. Within the theme editor, under Header Settings, you can change which menu is shown, enable a sticky header if available, and adjust logo placement or choose to show or hide search and cart icons. As for the footer, you'll be able to decide which menus or links appear, include social media links, and set up a newsletter sign-up block. With these steps, you'll be just about ready to customize your Shopify store to fit your brand perfectly using the Refresh theme, ensuring a smoother shopping experience and a more aesthetically pleasing storefront for your customers. Happy customizing!